In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can fix unsuspend Twitter account with the help of appeal. So let's dive in. So if your account is suspended and if you open your Twitter account, it will not show you Twitter timeline or anything like that. So what you can do is simply close this Twitter app, open your favorite browser. I will open this Google and search for Twitter Help Center. Open the first link. It will take you to this page of help.twitter.com. From here, if you scroll down, you will find here this locked and suspended account issues. If it's not showing, you can search here in search bar. I will open it. Then you will be on this appeal a locked or suspended account. If you click on this log out, so then it will redirect you to this page where you have to sign in first to your account. After signing into your account, so then it will show you the appeal form where you have to write your appeal and you should be concise and polite in your appeal. Clearly explain that why you believe your account should be reinstated and if you believe the suspension was a mistake or if you have taken steps to address the issue. And then after submitting your appeal, Twitter team will review your case. This process may take some time and you may receive an email notification once a decision has been made regarding your appeal. So this was the guide to help you to get back suspended Twitter account by just simple steps.